Hello, fellow rail fans. Canadian Railfan 1923 here, and welcome to the first Railfan video of 2025. In this video, I railfanned at two places to capture one of GO Transit's refurbished old cab car, and that being 249. When 249 got refurbished, it didn't equip a K5CA horn. Instead, it equipped with a brand new K5LA, not a corker, but a raised letter. The raised letter K5LAs are more common to be on freight trains like CN and CPKC. Same goes for other railways like CSX and Norfolk Southern, which are American. But for passenger trains like this is quite a story. Anyways, the train that 249 is consisted in is with MP40PH-3C639 with a total of 10 passenger cars. And one of the two places I went to first is Oakville GO at Lakeshore West Line at the Oakville subdivision. But on two dates. On February 9th, 249 was on an equipment move that will turn to GO 1322 from Oakville GO to Union Station, Toronto. Next, on March 10th, it went on GO 1719 from Union Station, Toronto to West Harbour GO.
Your 1431 Lakeshore West eastbound train to Union is arriving shortly at Oakville on platform 3 and is 12 coaches long. Stay well back from the yellow line.
Votre train de 14h31 Lakeshore West en direction est à destination de Union arrive bientôt à la ligne sur le quai Traillard composé de 12 voitures. Restez bien loin de la ligne jaune.
Finally, after catching it 2 times at Oakville GO, The last place I went to is East Gwillimbury GO at Berry Line at the New Market subdivision. And that is when the K5LA kicks in. I wasn't alone who got there. Tyler M came as well. And the train that 249 is on is GO 6919 from Union Station, Toronto to Allendale Waterfront GO at Barrie. Well, fellow rail fans, that is all for today's video about GO Transit 249. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did, you know what to do. Please be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out. And that will be it for sure. Oh, and one more thing. Go subscribe to Tyler M. Link to his channel is in the description below. Peace out and be safe. Take care and y'all have a great night. Cheerio!